Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your person's energies and feelings towards you, plus your energies and feelings towards your person as well. We will see the obstacles from both of your ends. What are the obstacles from your side? What are the obstacles from their side? What actions are you going to take for this relationship, and the final probable outcome of this relationship. All right, so let's get started with your reading now. For my Geminis, what is going on for my Geminis and their person, please? So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Do not try to imply everything on you. If something is not resonating, that means it is not for you. All right, so you can also check out my sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. Okay, sometimes the other sign matches, so you can check the other signs as well. All right, so let's get started. So this is and if you want to book an appointment with me, tarot appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, so very beautiful, different kind of energy. That's interesting. Okay, so your energies towards your feelings towards your person is the Fool card. I think you are ready to take a leap of faith towards this person, or a leap of faith as in, you know, you are giving it one more chance. Let risk again. I don't know why I'm getting that vibe of again, like this person might be the one with whom you already know this person from the past, or somebody about whom you have that feeling that this person is not very good among ladies, or if this is a man or if this is a lady, so you feel that this person is not very good among like when it comes to commitment for a long term, this person is not the one. So that is why you are just going towards this person to take a risk. Like, let's see what will happen. You don't know yet. That is what is coming. Let me clarify why the Fool card is here. Yes, so Two of Wands is here. You are still in the crossroads. You are not have yet decided. Your feelings for this person has not been yet, because yes, this person might be the person from a past, from your past, who might have just done wrong to you before as well. So that is why you are not able to trust this person fully, and the other people around you are also saying that this person is really not trustworthy, something like that. So that is why you're not getting the strong vibes of getting involved, but still I think you want to somewhere. Okay, so okay, your feelings towards this person is the Queen of Pentacles here. Let me show you. Queen of Pentacles, your feelings towards this relationship. So why the Queen of Pentacles is here in the relationship energy is a Nine of Wands. Okay, and the Moon. I think you are feeling that something is fishy, something is really hidden, and this person is not exactly showing his real face, what he exactly is. So somehow when it comes to moving in a relationship with this person, you feel really skeptical that this person is really showing you, strong that I'm so financially well, but you still feel that something is fishy. This person is not the way they are behaving. Okay, their energies towards you is the King of Cups. So strong energies again of showing strong love towards you, but you feel that this love which they are showing to you is not the real. Why the King of Cups is in their energy for my Queen of Swords? Okay, so they might be having some strong motives of to enter in this relationship or to enter towards you, because Six of Swords energy, they are slowly working on, they are slowly going towards you, but there is something which you really feel, if you are getting strong intuition about this person. So just Listen to that intuition. If this person is not right for you, it really definitely means that, because they are showing something else and they are something else. Towards this relationship, they are the 10 of Swords energy. They have no idea of commitment towards this relationship for a longer period of time. Okay, when you will actually accept their offer, and when you will accept, you will propose them for a longer term situation, commitment, it will be a no from their side. Okay, they will never be able to take it to a next level when it comes to this relationship. It's just something like, okay, we will enjoy, this person is really liked by many. So 6 of Wands energy, really people really like this person, and they're liked by many people around them. And that is why when you will offer the final commitment of that token that, okay, I'm ready to be yours and let's just get married or something, so it will be a no from their side, because this was never a long-term relationship from their side. And that is why whatever they are showing you, whatever how sweet they are in front of you from the words, it exactly isn't. All right, so let me check, why do we have the obstacle energies in your side as a 9 of Cups. So your obstacle, the things which you are feeling that this is an obstacle, let's clarify in that thing. 9 of Cups energy, why the 9 of Cups is here. The Sun, all right. 5 of Swords. Exactly, the problem with the situation from your end is, why can everything be so sweet? Everything is so sweet, everything is sugar coated, something like that. But how is this possible? You are really in that state where I'm not able to understand why this person is so sweet to me. There's something else going on, whether this person is going to betray me. Am I the victim? Because you are feeling that I am the victim of the situation, and he might, you might feel used by this person, like something, anything it can be. Okay, so their obstacles in this relationship, what does they feel that there is an obstacle? Ace of Pentacles energy is here on their part, obstacle from their end. Ace of Cups, the High Priestess, and the 10 of Pentacles. I think they do not have just this relationship. They might also be married to someone else. It can be, just take as it resonates, please. Okay, so they can be married to someone else, and they are ready to start a new relationship with someone else. So that is why this relationship, they are not going to take it to the next level, and this thing can be fishy. This is something which might be hidden from you, because they are involved with someone else. They might be just using you to make them jealous or something like that. Something is there. Okay, so it can be anything. Let's see why. Okay, so the next is your actions towards this relationship, the Hanged Man. I think you are not able to take any decision making at this point. You are just looking, you are just perceiving the information, whatever is coming towards you. You are joining the dots right now, because you are trying to figure out, because the analytics part is in your energies, that you are trying to analyze what is going on, and then you will try to take a decision. Right now you are just silent and you are just observing. And what is the action taken by them is the Temperance energy. Why Temperance? 10 of Wands is there. Yeah, again I would say the World card. So I think the strong ending energies are here. They are trying to take it slow, but they will just, slowly they will try to end. If they are being so sweet, just do not go on their, like, whatever they are saying from the mouth. Do not trust this person, because it's really hard to trust them. Overall outcome of the situation is the Knight of Swords. All right, things are going to be really fast for you, Geminis. You might not even get time to sometimes absorb things, and all of a sudden you will see that things have changed. With the 3 of Cups, You might see somebody else moving in also in this relationship, and it will be like, wow, what is this? What kind of a new situation am I into now? This person is really analytical. This person is really practical when it comes to anything in regards with you. So strong 10 of cups in reverse is here. So strong dishonesty energies are here for you, Gemini. So just try to analyze and take things the way you are feeling them. Okay, so do not just be blindfolded and not just, okay, let's enter. No, because the first card of yours was the Fool card. So do not just take a risk and just play with your life or something. Okay, so try to analyze the situation first and then move towards this relationship or anything. So that is all from my side, and I hope it helps. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.